Today, we're talking about exciting world of NFTs and the big moves we're expecting in 2024. The scene is shifting in such cool ways, with innovating uses popping up everywhere, broader adaptation across various sectors, and a fascinating blend of the digital and physical realms. Let's break down what's happening. First up, gaming is getting a major blockchain boost. We're seeing more games built on blockchain, bringing NFTs right into the heart of game mechanics and gameplay. This isn't just about making games more complex. It's about taking the whole Web3 experience to another level. Then there's the buzz around Bitcoin-based NFTs. Yep, Bitcoin's getting in on the NFT action with its security, scarcity, and rock-solid reliability, drawing more projects to its shores. The success of Bitcoin Ordinals and the BRC20 standard, just the beginning. We've also got some major innovation happening with token standards. Move over ERC 721 because newer standards like ERC 1155 and ERC 6551 are here, making NFTs way more useful than just being digital art. Think holding and transferring tokens, opening up a world of possibility. Interoperability and environmental consciousness are huge too. The push for NFTs to work across different blockchains is on, along with a drive towards making everything more sustainable. We're talking less energy consumption and smaller carbon footprint. AR and VR are taking NFT experiences to another dimension. Imagine interacting with your digital assets in ways that blur the lines between reality and the digital world. It's not just coming, it's here, redefining how we engage with NFTs. The convergence of digital and physical assets is happening. NFTs are becoming digital twins or authenticity certificates for physical items. Sparkling grows in real estate, collectibles, and more. NFTs are so much more than profile pictures now. They're unlocking real-world utility, giving you access to exclusive services, events, and tangible value in all sorts of sectors. We're seeing this trend grow, and it's pretty exciting. And get this, Soulbound tokens, or SBTs, are on the scene. These non-transferable tokens could change how we verify personal achievements, identities, or memberships. It's a game changer for how we think about credentials and ownership. The artwork, it's getting a major shakeup with AI-generated art and immersive AR/VR experiences. This isn't just new, it's a whole new frontier, offering creative potentials and interactions we've only dreamed of. Lastly, there's a growing focus on sustainability and social impact. Artists and platforms are not just talking talk. They're walking the walk with energy-efficient technologies and projects that truly make a difference. And there you have it. These are the big trends shaping the NFT space in 2024. It's an exciting time, and I can't wait to see where all this innovation takes us. Stay tuned for more updates and deep dive into each of these trends. Don't forget to hit like button, subscribe if you want to keep up with the future of NFTs. Catch you in the next video.